Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now it's time to add the finishing touches and create a seafood pasta that's as flavorful as it is stunning. Let's get cooking. Preparing and cooking seafood. Offering tips on selecting, storing and cooking different types of seafood, including shrimp, mussels and scallops, is key to a great seafood pasta dish. To start, it's essential to choose fresh and high-quality seafood. Look for shrimp with firm bodies and no black spots, mussels that are closed and have no broken shells, and scallops that are firm and have a sweet smell. Once you've selected your seafood, store it properly in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. For most seafood, it's best to store it in a sealed container on ice to keep it cold and prevent it from coming into contact with other foods. When cooking seafood, there are several methods you can use, including boiling, steaming, and sautéing. Boiling is a great way to cook seafood like shrimp and mussels, as it helps to preserve their flavor and texture. Simply fill a large pot with water, add some salt and lemon juice, and bring to a boil. Then, add your seafood and cook until it's pink and tender. Steaming is another great way to cook seafood, as it helps to retain its moisture and flavor. You can steam seafood like scallops and fish by placing them in a steamer basket over boiling water and covering with a lid. Sautéing is a great way to add flavor to your seafood, as it allows you to cook it quickly in a hot pan with some oil and aromatics. Simply heat some oil in a pan, add your seafood and some aromatics like garlic and onion, and cook until it's pink and tender. Some popular seafood cooking methods include grilling, great for seafood like shrimp and scallops, as it adds a smoky flavor. Poaching, great for delicate seafood like fish, as it helps to retain its moisture and flavor. Pan frying, great for seafood like mussels and clams, as it adds a crispy texture and flavor. By understanding the best ways to cook your seafood, you can create a delicious and flavorful seafood pasta dish that's sure to impress. Whether you're using boiling, steaming, or sautéing, the key is to cook your seafood until it's pink and tender, then serve it with some perfectly cooked pasta and your favorite sauce. Wine pairing and meal suggestions. When it comes to enjoying a delicious seafood pasta dish, the right wine pairing can elevate the flavors and create a truly unforgettable experience. But have you ever wondered what makes a good wine pairing for seafood pasta? Let's explore some tips and suggestions for creating a perfect match. Wine and Seafood Pairing Guide. Create a harmonious pairing by considering the flavor profiles and acidity levels of both the wine and the seafood. For example, a crisp and refreshing white wine like Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio pairs perfectly with delicate seafood like shrimp or scallops. The citrus and grassy notes in these wines complement the bright, citrusy flavors often found in seafood pasta dishes. On the other hand, a rich and creamy pasta dish with seafood like mussels or clams calls for a wine with a bit more acidity and body, such as Gewürztraminer or Riesling. These wines can stand up to the bold flavors of the seafood and the creaminess of the sauce. Some other wine and seafood pairing suggestions include Chardonnay with lobster or crab, as the buttery and oaky notes in the wine complement the rich flavors of the seafood. Rosé with seafood salads or lighter pasta dishes, as the dry and fruity notes in the wine add a refreshing touch. Sparkling wine with seafood appetizers or special occasion dishes, as the bubbles and acidity in the wine add a celebratory feel. When pairing wine with seafood pasta, it's also important to consider the type of pasta and the sauce. For example, a light and oily sauce like aglio e olio calls for a crisp and refreshing wine, while a rich and creamy sauce like carbonara calls for a wine with a bit more body and acidity. By considering the flavor profiles and acidity levels of both the wine and the seafood, you can create a perfect pairing that will elevate your dining experience. To complement your seafood pasta dish, consider starting with some appetizers like grilled shrimp skewers or steamed mussels. These options are light and refreshing, and they won't fill you up before the main course. For sides, a simple green salad or roasted vegetables can provide a nice contrast to the rich flavors of the pasta. And for dessert, a lemon sorbet or fresh fruit tart can provide a bright and refreshing finish to the meal. Whatever you choose, remember that the key to a perfect wine pairing is to find a balance between the flavors and acidity levels of both the wine and the seafood. With a little practice and experimentation, you can become a pro at pairing wine with seafood pasta and create unforgettable dining experiences. Bringing it all together. As we've explored the world of seafood pasta, it's clear that this dish is more than just a combination of ingredients, it's an experience. From the rich history of Italian cuisine to the global variations that have made seafood pasta a staple around the world, there's no denying the appeal of this delicious dish. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, the key to creating an unforgettable seafood pasta experience is to experiment with new recipes and cooking techniques. Recapping the essentials. Let's recap some of the key points we've covered so far. We've talked about the importance of using fresh and high-quality ingredients, from the seafood itself to the pasta and sauce. We've explored different cooking methods, from boiling and steaming to sautéing and grilling, and discussed the benefits of each. We've also touched on the art of wine pairing, and how the right wine can elevate the flavors of your seafood pasta dish. Some popular wine pairings for seafood pasta include Sauvignon Blanc with delicate seafood like shrimp or scallops, Gewürztraminer with rich and creamy pasta dishes featuring seafood like mussels or clams, Rosé with seafood salads or lighter pasta dishes. By considering the flavor profiles and acidity levels of both the wine and the seafood, you can create a perfect pairing that will take your dining experience to the next level. Encouraging exploration. So, what's next? We encourage you to keep exploring the world of seafood pasta, to try new recipes and cooking techniques, and to experiment with different ingredients and wine pairings. Don't be afraid to think outside the box and come up with your own unique creations. After all, that's what cooking is all about. Whether you're in the mood for something classic and traditional or adventurous and new, there's a seafood pasta dish out there for you. So go ahead, get creative, and see where the world of seafood pasta takes you. Some ideas to get you started include trying out a new type of seafood, like octopus or squid. Experimenting with different pasta shapes and sizes. Creating your own signature sauce, using ingredients like garlic, lemon, and herbs. Hosting a seafood pasta dinner party, complete with wine pairings and delicious desserts. The possibilities are endless, and we can't wait to see what you come up with. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.